We're going to be replacing all the hard brake lines on the 97 Cummins. They're 25 years old. They're looking a little rusty. I went ahead and took the master cylinder off and the front valve thingamabobs. This is what they look like. So once we get that to a steady stream, we're going to go ahead and plug the hole and then wait for this one to go. Got it all cleaned up. Once I get closer to having all the other old brake lines replaced on the truck, then I'll do a bench bleed and go put it back together. Here's what the old lines look like. Just took out one of the rear axle ones. You know, it's just freaking dirty and old. Here's the two from the master cylinder. They're just super rusty. So I got all new stainless steel brake lines. Reattach the master cylinder, get all those new lines plugged in. I got all the new fittings on there and torqued. Wow, shiny new brake lines. I like it. I'm going to fire it off, test for leaks, and then bleed if needed. Well, when needed. Yep. Gotta get these brakes working. Got the brake system bled. I went ahead and started with the brake furthest away from the master cylinder. I just cracked the bleeder screw and then hooked the hose up to it and just let it drip for like an hour. And then I did the driver's rear, passenger front, and then driver's side. And the brakes are nice and solid now. So, it's drivable. Right on.